masaya kaming lahat kasi yung pinaghihirapan namin kahit na short time lang yung pagsasama namin is nagre-react sila dun sa ginagawa namin system. So, very happy ako dun sa resulta namin yung araw na yun.
Coach Juju, best player of the game with 6 excellence and 8 points. This is also a 17-game streak broken by Zeus Coffee with this win. Anong masasabi mo sa naging journey niyo and itong panalo mo?
Actually, first 5-set win namin to ever. Lagi ko na, kahit sa past, every time na nagpa 5 sets, lagi kaming natatalo. So sobrang happy ako sa team tonight na kumapit talaga kaming lahat. And sa coaches na patuloy na nag-guide sa amin, kahit may mga times na nawawala kami sa sistema, patuloy pa rin sila na nagre-remind sa amin na bumalik dun sa game plan namin.
Thank you. Erica, ikaw yung isa din sa mga revelations ng gatherings in this match. Ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this game and yung consistency mo all throughout the match?
More on trust. I think yung trust ng coaches na binigay sa akin, gusto ko yung mindset ko na binigay nila sa akin to, so I have to make sure na gagawin ko din palagi best ko. And also, sa teammates ko, the trust they give me every time sa training, sa ano, even si Juju, palagi niya ako sinasabihan na ganito, ganyan, and very helpful talaga siya. And as Juju said, yung coaches talaga, remind lang palagi kasi it's very important din na, kaya din namin nakuha to kasi di din na kami pinabayaan.
Ako, sa may team pa naman ako sa team, ano yung attribute na nakita niyo ba? After ilang witness conferences, kaya nilang maging contender, including manalo.
Siyempre, nag-select kami ng mga, at nakita namin sila yung best players na talagang para sa team. So, sinasabi nga, still rebuilding the team, pero hindi yung dahilan para hindi kami magbigay ng galaw namin ng mga team. So,
And for you, ang dami nangyari na off-season na it was a huge change, but what made you keep the faith that even though it's like a complete overhaul for the team, you can make something special happen?
Actually, gusto ko lang i-share na last night parang medyo nagkaroon ako ng mga ilan na doubts. Kasi parang syempre ako matagal na rin ako sa team na to and mataas na rin yung ine-expect ko sa team namin ngayon na kaya talaga namin makipagsabayan eh. Lagi lang kami kinakapos in the past. And I'm so happy nga na today napakita nga namin kung ano yung kaya ng team namin. And parang moving forward, I'm just so excited to see what else we're going to be capable of doing. And again, back to the drawing board after this win. Parang tapos na to. Back to training na naman kami.
Erica, coming outside ng UAE to NCAA, the opportunity wasn't always there. In the PBL, ano ng feeling na hindi yung team ang namamasipis na yung mga opportunities na ganito to really show what they're capable of sa sports?
Honestly, hindi siya madali na journey. For me, it's very hard. But still, love ko yung volleyball eh. My passion for volleyball. Tsaka, alam mo yun, yung tipong, I don't even know what's up ahead, pero I still keep on going kasi I have the faith na just keep on going kahit hindi ko alam talaga kung ano nasa harap. And thank you Lord, ayun, nandito tayo ngayon.
Yung nag-enter ka sa galleries, high expectations, then game changer, yun yung mga needs. And then you need to trust the process in the 17-game losing streak, then 346 days. Paano mo naisip or hinandal yung patience na darating din yung time na for the game?
Honestly, pinahawakan ko rin talaga yung faith ko kay God na alam kong hindi niya pababayaan yung team namin and may purpose lahat tong pinagdadaanan talaga namin. And ayun, parang I just use each and every day as motivation to keep showing up. Kasi again, like today, I'm happy that my team also showed up and just really again looking forward to seeing what else our team is capable of.
Yun nga, you've seen many iterations of this galleries, Tower team, 17 games before it took a win. Siguro, what can you say is the biggest difference with this roster na you finally got this win?
I would say, nakikita ko rin kasi talaga lahat gustong manalo. Parang lahat gustong mag-contribute in any way possible and
nakita naman din natin yung today na kahit may hinatak si coach from the bench, everyone was able to contribute. And that's, I would say, the beauty of our team right now, na everyone's really eager to contribute and to contribute to the success of the team. And I just am hoping that patuloy pa rin yung ganung culture na ma-build namin. Kasi I would say nga na for the longest time, that's the kind of culture that we've been wanting to build, that winning culture. And slowly, we're getting there. And syempre, big help talaga na nandyan si Nam. Parang siya yung nagiging anchor din namin as the veteran presence in our team. And lahat ng mga artists namin yan, sila Ate Shola, Ate Rosel, lahat sila sobrang laking tulong na dinadala nila sa team.
Then Erica, it's been siguro a hectic rookie season for you coming sa Cherry Tigo with their exit. Siguro now that you're in galleries na getting this play time, is there for you parang a point to prove na parang ganito yung kaya ko magpakita with this team?
Siyempre meron naman, pero at the same time, I just do it because I want to. I want to, kung saan man ako ng team, gusto ko mag-contribute, gusto ko makatulong, kahit ano pa yan. Tsaka, so far, I found a home in galleries.
Coach, next game you will be against Smart Fresh. Gano'ng kalaki motivation ng itong game na magaling na
Sabi nga ni Julia, back to drawing board kami muna. So, wala pa kaming ina-expect na win or what. Basta, yung sa amin, we'll stick to the system hanggang sa manalo kami, hanggang sa makuha na lang namin lahat yung pangalan.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Yay!